Hi everyone, I am Arpita and I came to Dubai last year. I thought of putting some videos on YouTube and I already put some which were daily vlogs, but I thought I am not cut out for that, so I thought of coming back but a little differently this time. So I'm thinking of not making daily vlogs, but I want to make videos for people who are living in Dubai, for people who want to come to Dubai, and for families whose children or relatives are living in Dubai but they are not here. So I won't take much time and directly jump to the main part of the video, which is how I used to spend like a year back versus how I spend now. Basically, 5 things you all should avoid doing in terms of spending money. Let's do it. Okay, first thing first, stop converting every dirham into your home currency. I would say that this is one of the biggest mistakes I made when I came here. You know, every coffee, every food item, every other little thing that you use in your home, when I used to convert it into INR and I used to think, oh my god, it's so costly. It is way cheaper in India. You know, all these things create fear of spending, and you would not want that when you have just come here or when you're starting a new life here. I would suggest just don't do that, because you slowly stop enjoying life here. And I'm not saying that, you know, don't be financially responsible, because Dubai is expensive and you don't want yourself to be in trouble. But you know, you cannot compare every little thing with your home countries, because the salaries, the system, the opportunities are totally different here. So stop doing that. I know I'm saying it, but a lot of people cannot do that. If you're watching this, just try, see if you can like end this phase sooner. Okay, so the next one would be, don't torture yourself to save some money during Dubai's summer. We all know that Dubai is a very walkable city and everybody wants to walk, but please don't do that when it's peak summer, like especially between May to September or October first week. If there is a metro connectivity, take the metro. Don't save that 5 or 10 dirhams, just take that metro. Take a cab if you can afford. Take the cab between point A to point B. No need to trouble yourself in the Dubai heat. I know everybody wants to save those dirhams, but there is no point saving dirhams while like cooking yourself in that heat. Trust me, don't do that. Money can, of course, money can anytime come back, but your health, your energy, it's the most precious thing that you want to save. Okay, let's do the third point. The third thing, very important, step out of your house. I know it sounds very basic, but it makes a huge difference. You know, when you come here alone, it's very, very easy to just stay inside, work, home, and repeat. But I would suggest, if you want to experience a city like Dubai, just step out. Just step out. And it doesn't have to be something huge. Go for a walk, go to a beach. You don't even know who you might meet, what you might discover, or how your mood just changes. You know how important it is, because a lot of opportunities come when you just step out, and it could be stepping out of your house, stepping out of your comfort zone, just stepping out. Okay, another one, don't sacrifice every little joy just to save few dirhams. I'll tell you what I used to do. I used to avoid like having coffee. I would, even if I would go out, I wouldn't like spend. Even if I wanted so badly, I wouldn't. I would not purchase any drink. Like I would go out for a walk and just come back. So, you know what happens when you're doing these things? Like, and I'm not talking just about coffee, I'm talking about small things. Like, you want something for your house and you're not spending. Sometimes you have that favorite chain you want the coffee from. Sometimes there's a little thing that you want to eat. Spend those dirhams. You know, don't just burden yourself, kill your small joys, and then not have that coffee. Just go and have that coffee. If you like matcha, have it. Just have it. See, everybody knows their budget. You know what your budget is. Spend accordingly. Dubai is expensive. We know Dubai is expensive, but the point is just don't kill your small joys. These are the things that make up your day. And if you're not doing that, you are just at your home thinking about that coffee but not having it. So that makes the day not worth it, I believe. So just spend those dirhams. Do spend those dirhams. I think I saved the best one for the last. Don't always pick up the cheapest options, and I'm talking about the supermarket runs. I still remember my first supermarket run. It was all about, in any aisle I stood, I picked up the cheapest option, the cheapest cashews, the cheapest masalas, and I would strictly say no to it. Dubai is a place where you can find any brand. Like, you have options, like you have a lot of options. If you can see a familiar brand, pick it up. Don't always compare the prices. You'll see 10 different brands of that particular thing, and you would want to pick up the cheapest one, especially if you're new to Dubai. Don't do that. Just go and pick the familiar brand. Or if you don't know any brand, just Google it, search for it, and compare the brand which is good for you and not the one which is cheapest. Don't do that. I used to think that why should I spend more if I can get the same thing at a cheaper rate. But later I realized that everything has a value, especially when it comes to food and health. And remember, health is something you are investing in. Don't always make a choice based on the price. So these are the things that I learned a little late after I moved here. But I must tell you that Dubai teaches you a lot about money, independence, meeting people, adapting a life in a completely new environment. I want this channel to be a place where I share the realistic side of Dubai, the good parts, the difficult parts, and everything in between. So, if you're someone planning to move here, or already living here, or want to know how life in Dubai actually looks like, do subscribe because I have a lot more coming for you all. See you in my next video.